Introducing the BMET Pack Pro. Everything you need to perform service on the most common medical devices are now available in a compact pack, providing maximum mobility. The BMET Pack Pro comes with a wide range of products, starting with the Safety Sim Electrical Safety Analyzer, the smallest automated safety analyzer with the flexibility to be programmed to perform electrical safety tests according to your protocols, and with a single button press will automatically perform a complete safety test in seconds. Combined with Bluetooth connectivity to the Safety Sim app running on your smartphone, PC, or tablet, a complete electronic report will be automatically generated and can be easily printed or imported into your CMMS system. The app has the capability to store up to 1,000 records, and the built-in barcode scanner allows you to quickly scan the asset ID with your smartphone or tablet. BMET Pack Pro also comes with a complete vital sign simulation system, starting with the SimCube NIBP simulator. The simulator allows you to test the NIBP parameter and calibrate the parameter on any type of vital signs monitor. It operates on battery, and with a single button press enables you to run the test that you need. The OxyMFlex SpO2 simulator provides the ability to test the SpO2 parameter to simulate any saturation, pulse rate, perfusion level in 1-digit increments. It automatically detects manufacturer of the pulse ox technology, eliminating the need to manually select that manufacturer under test. It also runs on a single AA battery. The next product is the SimSlim Multi-Parameter Simulator. It provides ECG, respiration, arrhythmia, 4 channels of invasive blood pressure, Y-side temperature, and cardiac output. You can run all these simulations simultaneously. And the unit runs on a single battery for 7 to 10 years before it needs to be replaced. It actually runs all the time. The next product is the FlowTrax Multifunction Infusion Pump Analyzer. It's a great tool for testing any type of infusion pump. The integrated pressure meter also makes occlusion testing quick without the need to change your setup. The unit functions as a standalone pressure vacuum meter as well, with a range of -12 to +75, so you can test any type of medical device for pressure or vacuum. It also includes a temperature meter. Just plug in a temperature probe into the side of the unit and can measure temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. And it also includes a calibrated digital stopwatch timer. FlowTrax provides 4 pieces of test equipment in one package, so it eliminates the need to carry 3 extra pieces of test equipment. Really versatile tool. The BMET Pack Pro has custom compartments to secure everything you need, not only the products but also the accessories. You have compartments over here to secure and store your NIBP accessories. There's a side pocket over here so you can store your cabling and your invasive blood pressure adapters. There's a pocket here in the center for your batteries. Pocket up here for extra cabling, manuals, calcerts. And it also includes a padded pocket here on the side so that you can carry your laptop, your tablet to do all your service calls and document what you're doing. So BMET Pack Pro provides maximum portability and allows biomeds to always be on the go.